Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you in just one day get fair, spotless and glowing skin. From first use you will notice a great result. This magical cleanser whitens the skin tone and bleaches the skin tone naturally without causing any side effects. With all natural ingredients you can bleach your skin at home and you can cleanse the skin deeply at home without any side effects, with all natural ingredients, with tomato. And my friends, tomato has natural bleaching agent that whiten the skin tone naturally, and also it contains vitamin C which whiten the skin tone and nourishes the skin naturally without any side effects, with all natural ingredients. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need is 1 tomato, and we need to grate the tomato and shred it like so. Once we shred 1 tomato, we get the tomato pulp. In a clean mixing bowl, we need to strain it to get the fresh tomato juice. Like so, my friends. We need to juice 1 full tomato, medium-sized tomato like the one I've used. After strain it very well like so, we get the fresh tomato juice, and we get that much. Now we need to measure it, so place it into a cup like so. And in a clean mixing bowl we need to add tomato, the fresh tomato juice we just used. And then we need to add on it same quantity milk, just raw milk. You don't need to use boiled milk in this, you need to use raw milk. And mix very well. Now our tomato milk cleanser is ready. Now how to use it: at night before you sleep, dip in a cotton ball like so. And as you can tell, we get this pinkish beautiful color of cleanser, and apply it on your skin like that. Massage the skin with it. and keep massaging the skin for 5 minutes on your face, of course. Here I'm using my hand for demo. Massage the skin with it for 5 minutes and then leave it overnight, my friends. It's going to bleach the skin and it will whiten the skin tone naturally. Use it every night before you sleep. Place it into the fridge and keep it for 7 days. It's going to be good to use for 7 days. Keep using it every night before you sleep to achieve the best results ever. It will whiten your skin tone naturally and it bleaches and cleaning the skin deeply. So my friends, you will notice a great results from first use. You will notice that your skin looks brighter and it looks lightened in color and it also cleansed and glowing. So keep using that remedy every night before you sleep, and in the next morning wash your face with normal water, with cold water, and you will be amazed with the result, my friends. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.